Hi, my name's John from the Stadium YouTube channel, and I've recently been back down to the new Everton Stadium, which is located on Bramley Moore Dock. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel and leave any comments in the comment section below. So, the reason I've done two of these videos recently is I got some correspondence from the contact I have at Everton Football Club saying that they are working on Everton Way on the south stand of the stadium, just outside. So I thought we'd come down and take a look where it was up to. So they actually said it was meant to start this week, the beginning of this week. I can't see anything. I can't see where they've started it. So not sure whether it's been delayed. Almost certain I'm looking in the right space. So, don't know. Maybe they have started it, and I think that's where it's meant to be. And then onto here. I wonder if they're going to fence all this water off. Like, surely they're going to put some sort of safety balustrades or some sort of fencing around that water, because that would be an absolute safety hazard, wouldn't it? I'm sure they're going to. Hopefully they'll look nice. I don't believe they're going to leave the water as open as it is at the moment. It's not. It's not too far away. Obviously these test events, they're unless they're 4 weeks away, they start. So they've got 4 weeks to basically get it ready. Because obviously they do need these safety certificates to move on to the next stage of basically opening it. So the last time we were here, the pitch was being treated by these, I think, the ultraviolet light. Obviously they've been moved around. Some of the edges of the pitch are still looking a bit iffy, aren't they? If you're honest, I'm sure that's what these lights are trying to do. So sort that out. Someone commented on the last video saying, "How many games of tennis do you reckon the you can get on there?" I didn't really know what. I wasn't really sure what they meant, but now I'm looking at it again. It does look like it's sectioned into lots of rectangles. Obviously, that's not the case. And there will be, obviously, the pitch lining and goal posts going in soon. So there is some glare off the low winter sun in that shot. And there wasn't much you could do about that. But who thought we'd be here this quickly? It's 3 years on. It's very close to being completed and open. Madness, madness. What I would like to say, we were always told it was December 2024 that the site would be handed over to Everton. A site of this size, it wouldn't have been unreasonable to think there would be delays. Don't really think there has been in handing it over. I think it got handed over pretty much on time, and it said. Obviously, there's other projects that haven't. other football grounds, expansions, etc., that were not handed over on time or even started on time. And I'm not just talking about Anfield here. Fulham was supposed to have something done, which never got completed on time either, I believe. But yet, this video, it wasn't actually taken today. I think it was done on Thursday. I think this is from Thursday. I've just been that busy. I haven't had a chance to get it together and get it out, so that's why it's going out today. But they are starting work on Everton Way to get that done, I believe, and we'll go down this week and see where it's up to. Have a great weekend, and hopefully Everton can finally get a victory against Tottenham tomorrow. Take care. See you soon.